It's July 4th weekend, and there's nothing more American than a classic cheeseburger cooked on a classic charcoal grill that creates a lot of smoke, obviously. We're out here in our courtyard today, and what I want to do is show you how to make a classic cheeseburger. And we're going to take this burger over the top by using 2 of the 4 burger sauces that we created in a video, must-have burger sauces from a couple weeks ago, and I'll put the link to that right up above my left shoulder here. Be sure and watch that before you make the best cheeseburger you've ever had. I've got my gluten-free buns toasting on our grill right now. We're going to take those off. We're going to get our burger patties on next. I've got an 80-20 ground beef. And then we're also going to do a slice of onion that has some olive oil, salt, and pepper on it. This will take about 5 minutes on this side to cook, and then we'll go ahead and flip those and cook the other side. We're looking for a nice medium rare. You can cook your burger how you like it, from rare all the way to well done. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, and you can see the coloration on the burgers is starting to, the caramelization is starting to come up to the side. That lets us know that we're ready to turn. So we're gonna go ahead and flip our burgers. And then we're also gonna flip our onion slices. And we've got really nice caramelization there, so much so that they're starting to fall apart just a little bit. We're gonna get the lid on these and let these go for about another 5 minutes, and they should be a perfect medium rare. One thing I forgot to tell you about in the beginning is, besides the charcoal that we're using, I have some applewood chunks in there. I smoke bacon in applewood, and so we put some chunks in there to get some extra flavor into the beef and on the onions. One thing I almost forgot to do on the flip was put my cheese on. So one of these burgers, we're just gonna do a straight up hamburger for Victoria since she's dairy free, but I like to have good old American cheese. To me, it's the absolute best thing to put on a burger to make a cheeseburger. Not that wrap stuff that you get in the dairy department that's individually wrapped. Get the good American cheese from the deli. So we got our cheese on. We're gonna go ahead and let this go for a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna assemble our burgers. It's been about another 5 minutes. Let's take a look at our burgers and our onions. Let's get rid of this lid here. And those look perfect. We are ready to assemble our burger. Okay, we've got our gluten-free toasted bun, and we're still in the process of finalizing this recipe, but it should be another week or so. We're gonna show you exactly how to make this bun yourself. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble our burger. We're gonna start with a light base of the Dijonnaise, which is one of the must-have burger sauces. And one of the reasons we wanna put down a layer of this is to keep the moisture from soaking through our bun and having our bun fall apart on us. Next, we're gonna get some shredded lettuce. Get a nice amount on there. Next, we're gonna layer in our red relish, which was invented with the original Bob's Big Boy in California, and it's kind of somewhat making a comeback. And again, this is our second sauce that we're using in our must-have burger sauce video. So we've got our red relish down. Now we put our beefsteak tomato on top of that. Let's grab our burger patty off the grill and lay that on there. Next, we're gonna do our onion slice. I like to use 4 pickles to kind of get pickle in every bite of the burger. And to top it off, we're gonna get a nice amount of that Dijonnaise on that top bun and go ahead and crown our burger. And there you have it, guys, a classic American cheeseburger taken to the next level. Let's go ahead and slice into this and take a look and see what we have. And there you have it, guys, a nice medium rare. And again, you can cook your burger the way you like it. You might like it more rare than that. You might like it more well done than that. We like ours medium rare. And when you use a high quality ground beef, I'm not afraid of having a little bit of pink in my burger. All right, guys, our burgers are done and complete, and I've asked Victoria to join us. Cheers. Happy 4th of
Cheers.
July. She's drinking red wine, Malbec, I believe, from Argentina.
Yes, the Durguti.
I've got my favorite summer classic gin and tonic, and we're gonna go ahead and dig into these burgers. I've got a cheeseburger, and Victoria's got her hamburger without the cheese.
Oh my God.
So
This is gonna be messy.
this is gonna be messy. So let's
Okay.
go ahead and dig in.
I love the two sauces. I love the charcoal flavor from the grill.
So the two sauces really take the burger over the top. That combination of, basically it's mustard and ketchup, but elevated. So
Yes.
it's the red relish and then the Dijonnaise. And then, boy, there's nothing better than a burger cooked over real charcoal with applewood smoke put in there, or applewood chips put in there to add to the flavor of the smoke.
That was so delicious. Oh. You nailed this one, baby.
Well, there you have it, guys. A classic cheeseburger taken to the next level. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell to be alerted to many other videos we have coming up soon. And until next time, cheers.